Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something exciting on the table: the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 earphones.
Let's dive in.
These earphones from Creative promise a unique audio experience, thanks to their dual driver design, combining dynamic and XMEMS drivers.
But do they really stand out in a crowded market? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design.
The Aurvana Ace 2 earpieces sport a sleek stem-style design with substantial driver enclosures. The build quality feels solid, and they come in a classy black color. Internally, Creative employs XMEMS solid-state drivers alongside 10mm dynamic drivers, offering a frequency range of 5 Hz to 40 kHz. This expanded range promises crisp, detailed sound reproduction.
Now, let's talk performance.
The audio quality of these earphones is impressive. With a lively, bright sound signature, they deliver a punchy bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs.
Whether you're listening to music or watching movies, the sound experience is immersive and enjoyable.
The capacitive touch panels on the stems handle controls relatively well, though they might take some getting used to. You can cycle through ANC modes, control playback, and summon your device's voice assistant with ease.
Creative also offers a companion app for further customization.
You can adjust the EQ settings, toggle ANC modes, and even customize the on-ear controls to your liking. But let's address the elephant in the room: noise cancellation. While the Aurvana Ace 2 earphones offer ANC, it's not the best in class. In my tests, they managed to reduce low-frequency rumble to some extent, but struggled with higher frequencies.
If you're in a noisy environment, you might still hear some background chatter. On the battery front, these earphones offer decent performance.
With ANC enabled, you can expect around 6 hours of playback, with an additional 18 hours provided by the charging case.
Turning off ANC extends the battery life slightly.
In conclusion, the Creative Aurvana Ace 2 earphones offer a compelling audio experience with their dual driver design and customizable EQ.
While the noise cancellation might not be the best, the overall performance and feature set make them a solid choice, especially for audiophiles looking for versatility.
That's all for today, folks.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content.
Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.